everyone. We are Team Circuit Minds Jigsaw Puzzle. I am Aditi.
I am Aarav. And I am Devanshi.
And we are from Class 7D at EPS. Today we present our project, Skill Set Access to Children, designed to make learning fun and gamified for students in grades 3 and 4. Our focus is on developing skills like problem solving, spatial thinking, negotiation and pattern recognition.
We've conducted surveys with 22 parents and 12 teachers from our school to understand their perspectives. A significant 85.7% expressed support for our project.
Now let's dive into the exciting part, our prototypes. We crafted 10 puzzles with a unique twist. Each puzzle integrates circuits and feature images that mirror Indian settings. We believe this not only makes learning interesting, but also culturally relevant.
The puzzles made from splinter-free wood are A4 sized and have copper tape at the base. The challenge for students is to connect puzzle pieces by following the incomplete copper tape paths, promoting problem solving and spatial thinking.
Through rigorous testing with students of grade 4 to 5, we ensured the safety and educational value of our diverse puzzles featuring circuits like the fuse circuit, DC motor circuit, capacitor in circuit, melody IC, single LED circuit, 2 LEDs in series, 2 LEDs in parallel, cells in series, cells in parallel and buzzer circuit. On successful completion of a puzzle, the activated circuit prompts insightful discussions, bridging the gap between puzzle solving and understanding circuits. We also provide a postcard-sized manual with a picture of the complete puzzle along with 10 different circuit cards. This addition not only reinforces problem-solving skills but also serves as a visual reference for students to identify the specific circuit they have created.
Now, let's talk about the contributions. Aditi focused on documentation, modeling, surveying, prototypes, and research. Aarav dabbled in modeling, surveying, video script creation, and prototypes. I, Devanshi, played a key role in research, prototypes, surveying, and modeling.
In conclusion, our project aims to bridge the skill gap among students while keeping the learning process engaging and enjoyable.
Thank you for your attention and we're excited to make a positive impact on education.